Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 1. How are you all doing? Good? That's very great. So, welcome to your computing class. In today's class, we will be talking about the output. Okay. So, remember in our last class, we talked about what does input means. So, the word input, how did we get the idea that in means enter? Right? So through that we make a definition that the devices which are used to enter the data into the computer are known as input devices, right? So through this, now input means entering data, and input devices are the devices which are used to enter the data into the computer, right? So this is how we defined input. Then we discussed different types of input devices. The two basics of them were mouse and keyboard, right? So now in today's class, we will be discussing the other types of devices. There are two types of devices in a computer. The one are input and then we have output. So we are already done with input. In today's class, we will be discussing what does output means, right? So similarly, we make a definition from the input. Today we will be creating a definition from the output. The word out means coming out of something. Like in means enter, this means coming out, right? So output means giving you something, right? Or which you get as a result of something is the output, right? Now what are output devices? The devices which gives us the output from the computer are known as output devices, right? Remember when we were discussing input devices, I told you that we don't enter our data only with the mouse and keyboard. Yes, but these are the two basic things or two basic parts of computer which every computer or every laptop have, right? You cannot work without a mouse. You cannot work without a keyboard. See, my laptop keyboard was not working. There was something wrong with it. Its buttons were getting pressed by itself, so I have changed it. I went to the market and I asked them to please change it, and they said that it's in a keyboard. We don't have right it now in the market. So what you can do, you can do an external keyboard with it. So they have gave me an external one. Why? Because it was not possible for me to type anything without this, right? So I have bought this external now. Now I have connected this with this wire, which have a USB input, right? So I have connected this in this way with my laptop, and now I'm working on it, right? Similarly, if your mouse pad in your laptop is not working properly, so I'm using the internal mouse pad, right? So if it is not working properly, you cannot work on your laptop. You need it in any case, right? Or so if that is not working, you can attach an external mouse with it and you can work on your laptop. So similarly, these two are the basic input devices. Then we have others as well, right? Let's say we talk about the microphone, we talk about the camera, the webcam, and etc. Different playing joysticks and etc. etc. Right? Similarly, there are two of the output devices or two basic output devices which every computer, every laptop needs. Not, but those two are not just the two one or that we have. We have a huge variety of output devices, but the two basics are okay. So I'll be showing you the picture of it and then we will discuss it together. Okay. Or before watching the picture, let's watch an interesting video related to this together and then we will discuss those basics together as well. Okay. So I'm going to share the screen with you. Show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you or not. Okay. Is it visible? Okay, great.
Hello guys, let's learn about the input and output devices. Hello everybody, so let's learn about some input and some output devices. The input devices include a keyboard, that's an input device, a mouse, that's also an input device. The output devices include the monitors that show us the pictures and the printer that takes out the print. I hope you guys have learned about some of these input and output devices. Let's learn more.
Okay, so you have seen that in the video, the output devices which are shared with you, there were only two of them, right? The first one is monitor. Monitor is used for the visual display, like if you want to see something, whatever is it. Let's say you search for um, crocodile pictures, right? Or crocodile. What does crocodile eat? So they what it displays or what are the answers of that your search or what are the different um, web pages or whatever it is which the computer is showing you, how you can see it through your monitor, through your screen, right? So basically monitor or screen displays us the things, right? Then the second thing it discussed was the printer. What do printer do? Whatever you want to take a print. Let's say my friend sends me a document, which is an assignment, and I want to take the print out of that. So I'll click on Control plus P or I'll click on print. So the printer will give me the output of that. What I give input, I press Control plus P. That was input by me. That computer, please take a print out of that, and the computer will give me or the printer will give me the print of that. So that is an output, right? So printer is also, but for me printer is not one of the basic output device. Why? Because everybody does not have a printer with them, right? See, some of you might have a printer at your home, but not all of you. So one of the basics um, which are attached with every computer or the output is the speaker, right? Speaker is very important. Why? Because the audio, for audio, right? Whatever you play, whatever you listen to, you need a speaker or you need a headphone for that. So headphone is another an exceptional or a plus thing. Not everybody have headphones or microphones as well. So the speakers are those which are attached with, let's say my laptop has an inbuilt speaker, right? Similarly, I can attach an external speakers with that as well. The computer, the PC which you are using also have speakers. So speaker and monitor, these are two basic output devices which we need for visual and audio. All others are accessories. Let's say webcam, it shows you the provide you the real or live picture. Then we have webcams. Then we have microphone, through that you listen to the audios as well. Similarly, printer gives you the print of things, right? So all of these things are the output or some of the output devices that we have. Like we discussed that previously, we have only few output devices. Things were not in advanced form. Let's say if we talk about today, if we talk about the output devices, whatever type of computer, whatever type of advanced laptop or iPad you have, their output devices would be different from each other, right? So these are some types of output devices that we have, and their design and their size, shape, it would vary from thing to thing. Got it? So now, what is your class activity that I want all of you um, to make a picture of output devices, right? You are first supposed to write the name of output devices that you know, right? And then draw a picture of any two out of them. Let's say you want to draw the picture of the monitor and printer, you can do that. Somebody wants to draw the picture of monitor and speaker, you can do that. This is your class activity, okay? So hurry up, open your notebooks. First write the definition of output devices, then write their names and draw their picture as well. Hurry up. Start writing. All of you are done. Okay, show me your work one by one. Okay, great. Okay, class, that was all for today. What we have learned about the second type of devices of computer, that are output devices. And what are output devices? Output devices are the devices that gives us the output from the computer. Got it? Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do revise it at your home and let me know if you have any confusion. Share this video with others because it's free learning. Do good and have good. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.